Okay, so I'm going to run through the basic steps to create a website using Google Sites. Okay, so first I would go to google.com because it's easier that way rather than search sites.google or whatever. So if we're at google.com, over here on the right, you see Gmail, images, your little picture, your initial or whatever. But then you have your apps, your dot dots. So if you click on your dot dots, you go down. I've rearranged mine so yours might be in a different order, but you go to the one that says sites. From there, so I've already created a bunch, so I have stuff that's already in there, but you're going to create a new one. So we're going to go right here, start a new site, blank. You can use different templates. I'm just going to go right here. And then we'll wait. Google should give us hold music. Okay, so now we have our website, almost, eventually. We could check social media. Okay, here we go. So when it first opens up, you have something like this. So this is a website. We've already started it. But the first thing you want to do before you do anything else is you want to go ahead and give it a name. Depending on what you're doing, you might want to, if this is for a class, I would probably either include your name or your initials somewhere in your title. So I'm just going to put Spiller Practice Site. This is going to be used when they assign you a URL. It's just going to be part of it. If you're doing it for a class, having your name in there makes it a whole lot easier for your teacher to grade. Okay, so once I have that, then I want to customize my site. So you notice that everything you need is basically over here. This is your dashboard. If you use a different site like WordPress or one of those, their dashboards are usually on the left. So I'm not sure why Google put it on the right, but they did. So doesn't matter, it's all here. So on this dashboard, you have three options. You have the Insert tab. This is where you insert all of your content. We'll go more into that later. You have your Pages tab. This is where we insert more pages. We'll also do that later. And you have your themes. So recently, they've made it to where you could customize a theme, which is better. Before you had to just pick one of the ones that they had. So let's say I wanted to pick this one. So if I pick this, I have this. Okay. I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to deal with this for a minute. So right now they've got this weird background. I don't like it. I want to change it. You could change it. So if you hover over your header, you have two options. You have change image, which I'm going to do. You have header type. So right now mine is just the normal banner. So that's this long skinny picture. That's okay. You can choose title only and it doesn't have any picture at all. You can do a large banner where it's an even bigger picture. Or you can do it where the whole thing is a picture. Depends on what you're using your website for. I'm just going to go with the normal banner. But now I want to change my image. I have options. I can either upload a picture that I already have saved on my computer, or I can select an image. From the select an image, and I'm going kind of fast because I'm going to run out of time, I can either pick a picture from their gallery that they already have, or I can find it somewhere else. So I can look in my Google Drive, I can look in whatever photo albums I have. If I know a website, I can go there, or I can search the web. I'm just going to use something from their gallery, just in the interest of saving time. So I'm going to put that, I select, and it puts it up here, and it automatically adjusts it so that it says adjusting for readability. So it adjusts it so that you can read the words better. So if you have bright words and a really bright picture, it might dull it down a little just so you can see. And this is my home page, so I want to put something here. So like, let me see my website or my project portfolio. We're doing those in class. So anyway, so this is my home page. This is the landing page. So if people click on your URL, this is what they see first. So usually it's good to have a title, either home, or it's good to have a title that kind of tells them about your website. So there's that. So now we've created a website. We've given it one of their built-in themes, and we've changed the header image, the title, or the site name, and the title of this page. And I'm going to continue on to the other ones in the next video because I'm out of time. Okay.